The problem states, in the diagram, the paired filled spheres represent H2, and the paired open spheres represent N2 molecules. When the molecules in the box react to form the maximum possible amount of ammonia molecules, what is the limiting reactant and how many molecules of NH3 can be formed? And here's the balanced reaction. And it says 1 molecule of N2 reacts with 3 molecules of H2 to make 2 molecules of NH3. And we'll get to, let me put the entire box in the problem here so we can see how many molecules we have. So when I solve this type of problem, what I typically do is I literally, and I don't use that word lightly, circle molecules and turn them into products. What I mean by that is, if I'm going to take 1 molecule of N2, I need 3 molecules of H2, and so I will just circle them like this. And then I will cross them out, and I will turn them into 2 molecules of NH3. And so I will actually draw the picture with nitrogen being a unfilled circle, and hydrogen being a filled circle. There's my first molecule. There's my second molecule. So in a very real way, the molecules that I've crossed out have become the product molecules. Okay. Any questions about this one so far? Because if not, then the next step is to do it again. Circle 1 N2 and 3 H2s. Cross them out. Make 1. Make 2 NH3s. And then do it one more time. Cross them out. And you can put them anywhere. So this is just a schematic drawing. Of course, these are all gas phase molecules, and as we'll learn shortly, they'll be evenly distributed through this space. But for now, we'll just draw the molecules. And we learn, okay, so now we have 3 more hydrogens, but we have no more nitrogens. So we ran out of nitrogen. Nitrogen is our limiting reactant. And we can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 molecules. And I'm writing out molecules here of NH3. And so hopefully that's one of the answers down here. When I look here, I have nitrogen is limiting 3 molecules. Hydrogen is limiting, that's not true. Nitrogen is limiting 6 molecules. That's actually how much we can make. We have found our correct answer for this problem. So, and again, this is the molecular interpretation of a reaction because we're actually dealing with molecules. Any questions about this? Go ahead.
On the home,
yeah, go ahead. Sorry, I still couldn't hear you. Could you say it one more time?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. On the homework, it doesn't give us an option for number 6, and I have the same exact problem that you just put up.
It doesn't give you the option for 6 molecules?
Yes, it gives us an option for 5 or 10. And it says, because I have the same exact problem that you just did, and it says that H2 is limiting.
That sounds like it could be a mistake. Is it, and it's the same reaction with nitrogen and hydrogen?
Yes, it's the same problem.
Okay. then this is a typo. And what I'll do is send me a screenshot of it or some sort of
Okay.
picture of it, and then I will totally award you credit and correct it. Then I'll try and remove it as soon as I can, but there might be a,
Okay.
yeah,
Thank you.
sure. Any other questions? All right.